Well, hey there, folks. It's Dub here, and we're back with the July 2019 survival boxes. One of the reasons I like these particular boxes is, again, the 4-part water, food, seeds, and gear. I think it's a fun combo, and it's great for anybody that's even starting out to more advanced. Sometimes there's things in these kind of boxes that you don't think about yourself, so that's what's kind of fun about these. And without further ado, let's get into this one here. All right, there we go. Put the knife away. And let's see what we've got. All right. So first out of the box, we have the card itself. I'll hold that up for anybody who wants to take a look. You don't look at it at first. Take a look at it a little bit later. There's the back side. All right. So putting that to the side, get a little of this packing out of the way here. Okay. And one of the first things we have is Mountain House, which in my opinion, I haven't had a ton of these kind of pre-bagged, freeze-dried foods, but Mountain House seems to be one of the better brand names. I enjoy those pretty good. All right, this one is freeze-dried macaroni and cheese. How can you go wrong with mac and cheese? All right, the next one, Backpacker's Pantry, which I also do like quite a bit. This is a hot apple cobbler mix. So who says you can't be kind of decadent out there on the trail, wherever you are? You know what I forgot to do, actually, was look at this one and do the nutrition facts. So let me hold that up here real quick. Take a look at that if you want to. But just a quick overview, it looks like 320 calories are per serving. There's about 3 servings per container, 15 grams of fat, 13 grams protein, and there is 5 grams of sugars and 31 grams of carbohydrates. So if you need to watch sugars and carbohydrates, something to consider with these. And again, the hot apple cobbler mix, 270 calories with 3 grams of protein. We'll hold that and deal it there if anybody wants to see it. Okay, and so serving size is 1/2 of the package. Again, 3 grams of protein, total carbohydrates, 59 grams, 2 grams of sugars. So they're pretty heavy on the sugar, but that sometimes makes them delicious. All right, what we got here, this is a big thing. So Active Combat Wipes, outdoor cleansing and refreshing wipes, 100% biodegradable. So not always wherever we're hiking do we have an active water source, or do we want to put our feet and or persons in that water source at times. So if you need to clean up and you're out there, these are a good way to do that. I haven't used this particular brand before, but I mean, that's pretty heavy. I don't know if it says there's just one in there. Single wipe pull out. Yeah, so this thing must be, I don't know, big as a beach towel. All right, moving along. I see a small measuring cup unit. So it's stainless steel. It's made in China. Does have some graduation marks here on the side. It's got 4 and 8 ounce mark. So it's kind of just a measuring cup, I suppose. But I guess that'll be good for measuring your water, for putting in your food and things there. All right, what is this little deal? A little Opinel. Oh, cool. So I had one that was similar to this when I was a young person. I was out doing camping as a youth, but I don't know whatever ended up happening to it. But these little knives are pretty cool if I can get it open, and I can. I just kind of liked, when I was younger, to know that the brand was pretty respectable, but I just liked the wood handle and the interesting kind of twist lock feature here on the blade. So you twist that and it becomes a locked blade. That's a great little knife. It has an interesting kind of, I don't know, it's like a little fishtail pommel end there. So my hands aren't overly big. I'm about 5'10", 170, and this is a little small for me, but it's probably for more fine details, little vegetable or fruit cutting or whatnot. But I've been meaning to go pick one of these up. They make quite a few different ones, and I guess they're calling this the Opinel. Is that Carbone? I guess that's what I was going for. Anyways, I really like those. They always seem to be pretty, well made and a cool little deal. So all right, that's great. That'd be awesome to put in a little kit. Let's see here. We've got some Pure Nize water purification droplets. I've had these before, used them before. I assumed they worked well because I never had any problems. So we'll just open this up real fast, and it's a pretty easy deal. There's a little squirt top that it has for it, and there's just a storage top that it has. You add drops to your particular size you need to. You wait a little amount of time, and then your water is good to go. So that's just one more way to purify water. Next thing we've got up here is our Survival Garden non-GMO heirloom seeds. This is from Tender Green. It is burpless cucumber. So those are always pretty cool. I got a little pack of those stashed away. I'm gonna open up here soon and try and just kind of see what we can do with them. All right, so you always get water with these ones as well. That's one of the things that comes with it. And all of these are from Mayday. And so at this point in time, I'm getting a decent little stash of water. I actually have a box that has kind of water inside one. I've got food kind of in another spot. So it's definitely helping me kind of stack up in case of emergencies. Haven't had to use it yet, but hopefully never have to. You just get to use it while camping or something. Last but not least, they always include a survival knowledge card, and this one is just general backpacking tips. It shows a picture of them eating some food on there. And this back side is food storage in the outdoors. There also is a if you get lost section, but you see there's some bears on there, so probably some tips about where to not put your food or how to store it. So anyways, to recap, knowledge survival card, we got the waters, got the little measuring cup / bowl. I assume you could heat that up, although you couldn't heat up a ton of water if it was boiling. That's not a ton, but it would work. We've got the combat wipes. We've got the Pure Nice, so if you can't boil water, you can go that route. We've got the little Opinel. We've got, let's see here. We've got our seeds, and then we've got our 2 foods here, mac and cheese and a hot apple cobbler mix. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. This is Dub signing off. Let me know what you think of in the comment section. Like, subscribe if you want to, and I will catch you on the next one.